Greetings, folks. Pilot Pete coming to you fresh from our trip to Las Vegas, Nevada, where we attended CES 2026 and dug through the chaos and coal to find some hidden gems and cool stuff worth your time and worth using. Today, I want to share one of those discoveries with you. But for starters, when I first read about it, I thought, well, this is either fantasy or it's amazing. And after seeing it, I can say that while this isn't quite ready for prime time yet, it's absolutely worth knowing about. I believe they're well on their way to making this a reality. The company is Uniqconn, and the technology is called Uniq. Built on their UC60 chipset, the best description I heard, and it really clicked for me, is that this is like Qi wireless charging, except instead of moving electrons, it's moving data. Uniq uses the globally unlicensed 60 gigahertz band to create a very short-range intentional wireless link. You bring two devices together, think a phone and a dock, and instead of pairing, configuring, or launching an app, the connection just happens. Tap to connect. And this isn't Bluetooth speed stuff. We're talking up to 6.25 gigabits per second with sub-one-microsecond latency. In practice, that's cable class performance, USB, Ethernet, even display data without the cable. What's especially impressive is how efficient it is. The radio runs on a single 1.8 volt supply, pulls about 150 milliwatts in transmitting, about 100 milliwatts in receiving, and drops to under 6 milliwatts in standby. That matters if you want this inside phones, accessories, or sealed devices. And sealed is the big theme here. No pogo pins, no exposed connectors. The tech is designed to work across commercial and industrial temperature ranges, and it supports full duplex USB, SPI, UART, and Ethernet, even in fixed hardware configurations without external MCU. Why should you care? Because this is how you get durable docks, portless devices, accessories that snap on and just work, and eventually fewer cables in your life that fail at the worst possible time. This is still early platform level technology, but it's real and it works. And it feels like the start of a new interaction layer. You can learn more at uniqconn.com. That's UNIQCONN.com. And make sure to like and subscribe below so you don't miss all the cool things we found this year at CES. Big thanks to our sponsors for making it possible for us to go to Las Vegas, dig through all the noise, and bring the cool stuff we found straight to you. So there you have it. And until next time, don't get caught.